What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you guys my Q4 strategy for guys with a small capital. This is for guys who don't have a starting up capital of like 1,000 US dollars. This is for someone who's at least 500, 300, 200 to get started. So what is Q4? So Q4 is the last quarter of the year. It's a very big shopping spree for people all over the world. Because first of all, it's the holiday season, it's the happy season. Guys are going back to their families. Guys already with their families, okay, since lockdown. But it's the happy season, so it's the season of giving, of sharing. So guys are going to try to buy gifts for their families, and it's just that time of the year whereby customers do a lot of shopping online. There's Black Friday, there is Cyber Monday. All these shopping offers that just happened during this last quarter. So it's a very big season for e-commerce platforms and companies and any other place. So it's very important as your e-commerce entrepreneur for you to have a strategy, at least something you're going to be doing. You cannot just sit idle thinking you don't have enough money to start. You're just going to wait for Jesus Christ to come and save you or some stuff like that. So I'm going to go ahead to my computer and show you guys my exact plan. So Q4 strategy for 2020. I've already showed you guys what Q4 is, and one thing that you guys have to actually do during this Q4 is if you don't know what you're doing, you're not going to go anywhere. What do I mean by this? You have to know what you have to focus on. You have to know the niches you want to focus on. You have to know what really is going to sell you in this season. And for example, I've gotten for you guys the gem niches, the main niches that are actually going crazy, will be selling crazy during this season. The first one is the gifts. The gifts niche. People are buying gifts, as I told you, to be wrapped in gifts boxes, to be put under the Christmas tree, and all that setup. The second one is toys for the kids. The same one, toys for your pets and all that. Winter clothing. It's gonna get cold, guys. One wear that's heavy, snowing and all that stuff. There's also cool electronics. There's simple cool electronics that are just nice to have. People will want to have them now. So you have to focus on certain niches. Now, for me personally, since I started e-commerce, I learned that it's better for you to focus on certain niches that you're gonna have more knowledge. You don't have to keep changing everything. So I have 4 niches that I focus on throughout, and even during right now, I'm just gonna add the gifts niche to it and try to tweak to see how it fits my focus niches. Now, resources. I'm gonna show you guys some of the resources that I use. The first one that I use is CJ dropshipping. CJ dropshipping is sourcing more like AliExpress. It's my alternative for AliExpress. Instead of me getting products shipped directly from AliExpress, I contact my CJ dropshipping agents to source for me the product, and then I know it's safe once I have that product in the warehouse. Now I can go ahead and start moving on with my marketing and store setup. The second one is Google Trends. Google Trends is very important for you to use it to see what is going to selling, what is rising. For example, let me show you here on my laptop. As you can see here, for the Google Trends, the pets product niche is rising. It was at 89. It's just going to keep rising because obviously people are buying stuff for their pets and all that. Yeah, so it's rising. Then next, the other one is I use this app called Visto Ads to see what people are selling. Most of the other ad platforms there, but you can see ads like AdSpy, all these other, they are premium. You have to pay to see certain stuff, but this Visto Ads is free of charge. You don't have to pay anything. As you can see here, you see you can filter. That's the best thing. You can filter demographics, e-commerce. You can just add filters. As you can see, scroll and look up for products, ads that capture your attention, that you see that can sell. As you can see, guys actually run multiple ads here on this place. So it's a very good product research method that I use for my research. Visto Ads, so you can go ahead and check it out. It's free of charge. That's what's cool about it. Next is yeah, so from there go next for marketing. Now you see, when I say you have less than $1,000 to start, most of honest e-commerce gurus know you have to have a starting capital around 1,000 to 500 to start e-commerce, but that doesn't mean you can not do e-commerce still. You can go ahead if you know you found a product that will actually sell, that is proven to like have a problem solver in a wow factor. You can go ahead and use TikTok and Instagram influencers. One is that you can find TikTok and Instagram influencers who will charge you at least $50, $20, or alternatively you can negotiate. You can get affiliate links. Like there are tons of videos by Jay Rich and other guys on YouTube that show you guys how to use affiliate to like contact influencers and partner with them, and you still share the profits. You see that's the other way you can actually just do e-commerce without you like pouring in a lot of ads budget. And once you at least have something, you can use it for your ads and all that stuff. Then the next is landing pages. Your landing pages have to be outstanding. You can just expect the normal generic pages that have been working since 2016 to continue converting. You have to bring something unique. You have to like sell. You have to like really convince them why this product actually helps them, why they should buy it, why it solves their problems. Then the other one is Pogban domains. So Pogban domains is a domains platform. They sell domains, and this is like the cheapest option out there when I did my research. There's other options like GoDaddy, Google, Shopify domains, but Pogban domains, they give you like four domains for as low as $4.56. Your first 4 domains. That's .com domains, not just this random weird .com domains, so that's really cool. I use it personally right now. I currently have like 10 domains with them, so they're like my trusted domain provider. Like I really vouch for them. So the next one I'd like to talk about is Google Shopping. You see, for Google Shopping is that they give you 150 free credits to like do free marketing for your products. Then what's up?
So you're in class?
Yeah, I'm in class. So for Google Shopping, they give you 150 credit to do your first marketing.
Rod, do you watch?
Yes. So yeah, they give you 50 credits, 150 credits if you're in the States. Now you can actually access it with a VPN, and you have to make sure you have a credit card that is valid that you can use to like borrow the money from. And then secondly, the other option you use for marketing is Pinterest credits. Pinterest give you 100 free credits also for your first time. So you can actually take advantage of this if your product is proven to sell. Like there's a need for it. You'll be able to make back this money and pay it back easily. You see, so these are advantages that people are not taking advantage of, who are not using. So the other second way I use to budget, so like just make sure I'm saving extra little, is I use WooCommerce. Now after I've proven the product is selling on Shopify, I transition to WooCommerce. I just buy the domain and then I set up a very nice landing page. So basically I set up my store using WooCommerce in Elementor, and if I get orders from customers, I go back to my CJ dropshipping app and just fulfill the orders using that same thing. So you see there's no big difference. It's just that Shopify is much easier to use for like e-commerce, and everything is already set out for you. Now for for WooCommerce and WordPress, you have to figure some stuff out, like the design, like some few stuff, and it's not hard to do. It will literally take you like 2 hours to learn all these skills if you're committed and focused. And then the other thing I use is now if I'm to like go out there and do marketing on Facebook and all these marketing platforms, I'll focus on unsaturated countries like France, Spain, Norway, Belgium, Germany, and Estonia. Unlike the United States and the United Kingdom that everybody is targeting for marketing, they are very saturated, and the cost of marketing is very high. Like especially during this time when there's an election, you just get messages that we've increased the cost because of the election year. And in fact, Trump is actually marketing. Like I'll show you an ad. Like I was scrolling this ad vista, just looking at ads, and I saw like 8 ads of Trump just coming up. Trump promoting his clothing line. Also, it's a psychological game. Like he's not just promoting the products, he's also promoting himself, to win the campaign and all that. So these are some of the factors. These are some of the things I'm using. Now I'll end with one last thing. Not taking a risk is risky. Not taking a risk is risky. If you want to know how risky life is, you're not gonna make it out alive, my nigga. So just take your shots whenever you can. Stop slacking. It's your time right now, you know. Peace.
Stop.